What is a form in art? When you hear the word form, it actually has many meanings. Forms can be utilized to describe a specific type of art. In this example, sculptures, oil paintings, and even textile art, just to name a few. It may also be used to describe an element that is three-dimensional, such as these hand drawings, and the waves crashing in this beautiful piece of art. Let's bring this all together real quick. When we take these two-dimensional shapes and put them together, we create a three-dimensional shape, and that is what we call a form. Similarly, taking this circle and making it a sphere, that's a form. With all that being said, I have a question for you. Do you now have a clear picture of what a form is?